Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get paid PC games for free. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so open up any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Steam. After logging in, you'll be able to see all of the games available for you to access. Now just click on top sellers under browse categories in the left side menu. Now all of the top selling games are being displayed in front of you. You can see that there are plenty of games at 90% off, and sometimes completely free games are also available for you to download. Now next site on our list is GOG.com. On this website you can see that there are different deals for every day that offers discount. Now you can get many games on discount prices from here. And third site on our list is Epic Games. It's a great place for free or discounted games. Epic Games offer free games every now and then. These games are high-end and not the basic ones, so it's a great thing about it. Fourth one on our list is Prime Gaming. You can access the site by typing the exact URL as mentioned above and claim your game you want for free. The next site is Ubisoft. It's a great site with a good interface. To get free games, go over to Store, Ubisoft Store, Video Games, and then Free Games. The last site on our list is Electronic Arts. To get free games, go over to Games, Free to Play, and all of the games mentioned are completely free. And that's how you can get paid games for free. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.